Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to assign custom colors to different elements in your charts in Google Sheets. If you love visualizing your data and want your charts to stand out or match your brand, learning how to tweak those chart colors is a game changer. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have all the know-how you need to make your charts not only easy to understand but also visually stunning. Let's dive right in. Now I'm going to assume you already have your bar chart open in Google Sheets. If not, go ahead and create a chart with your data first and then meet me back here. Once you have that chart on your sheet, you're ready for the next step. Next, you want to customize one of the bars. To do this, take your mouse and just double-click any bar in your chart. When you double-click, you might notice that Google Sheets highlights just that particular bar, or sometimes it selects all the bars in the same series. Don't worry if it highlights a group, that just means you'll be changing the color for all your bars of that type, which can be really helpful when you want consistent colors for a data set. Now after double-clicking, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see the Chart Editor panel pop up. This is where all the magic happens. In the Chart Editor, you should see an option labeled Fill Color. Go ahead and click on that. Fill Color is basically the inside color of your bar. It's what makes your chart pop and brings attention to your different categories. You'll also see an option for Line Color, which controls the border or outline color of your bars. For this demo, though, we're going to focus on the Fill Color. Think of Fill Color as the paint you put inside the walls of your house, while Line Color would be more like the trim or edges. Once you click on Fill Color, a palette will open up with lots of different colors. You can pick any color you like here. Maybe you want your sales numbers in a bold blue, or perhaps you want to highlight a special data point with a bright red. Just click on the color that best fits your presentation or the story you want to tell with your data. As soon as you choose a new color, you'll see the bars update right away in your chart. This makes it really easy to try a few different options and see what looks best. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. You can always change it again with just a couple of clicks. And that's really all there is to it. Customizing the color of your chart elements means your data will be easier to interpret, and you can control the focus of your viewers' attention. Whether you're preparing a report for work, jazzing up your school project, or just want things to look nice and neat, these little creative touches can make a big difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. That really helps out the channel. Got any questions or want to see more chart tricks in Google Sheets? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, useful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.